Welcome to S and J's fishing adventure. This is a new series on the channel, and we're starting it today. I think this is our first most family video because considering it is our family account, makes the most sense. For the first two would be the first two guys that came up with the idea of making a family channel. So, yeah, this is our fishing thing. You know, our fishing adventure story, Majiggy. You know, he's looking for a fishing line that he finds on the floor. And I got seaweed just a second ago thinking I got caught on a rock. Because, yeah.
Your first day of a video of this one.
Holy shooter birders. There's a wasp. Or a hornet. Oh, there's two of them. And I think... Jack, hold the phone, hold the phone. I got something, that thing. This is more seaweed. You're holding the camera.
Of course, it's just him, like me and two.
No. Hold this way.
I'm pretty good fisher, but it's not his first time. He went fishing before.
Oh, I think this may actually be a fish. Goddamn.
Couple of times.
There's 3 hornets right there.
Maybe you caught
Jack,
something.
you're walking straight towards 3 hornets.
Maybe he didn't. Caught seaweed.
Whoa.
Haven't really caught fish before. The only time I have is on a boat. I don't have the boat anymore. But
I had a boat and it's been gone for quite a while.
we might get another.
Watch out. You're gonna get hit by
Yeah, I know. Might get another someday. Not long, probably. If he catches something,
Who's planning on getting a boat?
we're gonna be happy. My dad's probably gonna get like something good. I don't know if he would.
Oh, beef.
He's probably gonna get like something pretty good for fishing. Like
Shit.
probably like
I think I just lost your hook, bud. Oh.